Welcome back, guys. On this video we are talking about what you're expecting on your favorite Star Life series. This is continuation of the last episode drama that I recapped on the show. Guys, don't forget to subscribe in case you have not subscribed to the channel yet, as we jump straight into the video of today. Because yeah, a lot of drama is going on this month of August on Star Life, and you guys we have to like recap all of them before they're shown on TV. Anyways, guys, without wasting any of your time, let us jump straight into the video of today. Please give this video a thumbs up, and it really helps like in the performance of the video to other people. So let us start.
The episode starts with the Deshmukh family feeling content and relieved after successfully completing the puja. Savitri confidently believes that all upcoming troubles have been eliminated and that peace will now prevail in their lives. However, beneath this calm surface, tension brews. Sayali is visibly upset with Roshni, who has been concealing the truth for a long time. She had already warned Roshni to confess everything before the family, and her patience is now running out. On the other hand, Supriya feels deeply suffocated and emotionally disturbed because of Roshni's actions. Her concern for Krish intensifies as she believes he has been deprived of the life he truly deserved. The thought of the truth being revealed to Sayali's family fills her with fear as she is uncertain about the consequences that might follow. During a family gathering, Sally serves tea to everyone, including Roshni. While handing over the cup, she subtly reminds Roshni of her earlier warning. Sachin begins to sense that something is not right with Sayali and suspects she might be hiding something significant. He repeatedly urges her to speak openly. Sayali finally gathers the courage to reveal the truth, but at that crucial moment, Roshni intervenes and stops her from speaking. Later, Roshni confronts Sayali privately, questioning why she tried to reveal everything before the agreed time. She insists that she is not asking Sayali to lie, but only to remain silent for a little longer. However, Sayali refuses to comply, stating that delaying the truth will only make matters worse. She firmly warns Roshni that if she tries to buy more time, she will expose all her lies to Sachin. Without hesitation, Roshni is left shaken and threatened by Sayali's determination. The next day, the Deshmukh family returns to Mumbai, but Sayali remains firm in her decision to face whatever consequences may arise once the truth is revealed. Meanwhile, a business opportunity unfolds as a company manager visits their home to finalize a deal with Roshni and their showroom. Both Roshni and Tejas feel delighted and proud of their growing success. Roshni hands over a check to Renuka, who becomes emotional and expresses her unwavering support for them. Renuka, filled with hope and trust, makes it clear that she expects honesty from Roshni moving forward and will not tolerate any lies. Hearing this, Roshni grows anxious, realizing that the truth she has been hiding could soon come to light and disrupt everything. Sayali losing all patience with Roshni. She's furious because Roshni has continued to hide the truth from the Deshmukh family. A long time, Sayali has been asking her to admit everything honestly, but Roshni has only delayed it again and again. Sayali reminds her that she should have spoken about her previous marriage much earlier because of all the lies and silence. Sayali no longer trusts her. In anger, she gives Roshni an ultimatum and tells her that she has only 60 hours to confess everything on her own. Roshni becomes frightened after hearing Sayali's harsh warning. She is shaken and breaks down in tears. She feels hurt because Sayali is unable to understand the pain and suffering she has carried for years. Through her tears, Roshni asks, why no one is willing to see the difficult life behind her lies? Finally, Roshni begins to speak about her painful past. She reveals that she never had the freedom to choose her own future. After her father's death, her family was trapped under heavy debt. To save the family, she was forced to marry Satish, a man who was nearly 20 years older than her. Satish was also addicted to alcohol. Roshni never wanted that marriage, but she had no other option because Satish promised to clear all the debts left behind by her father. However, her life became even more miserable after marriage, only a few days later, Satish died in an accident. At that time, Roshni was pregnant. Instead of supporting her, Satish's brother and sister-in-law blamed her for everything. They insulted her and even called her unborn child illegitimate. Soon, they threw her out of the house and left her completely helpless. Roshni says that after facing so much sorrow, Tejas entered her life for the first time. She felt loved and cared for. She truly fell in love with him and wanted to begin a new life without carrying the burden of her past. That is why she hid everything. After hearing the whole story, Sayali feels emotional and sympathetic toward Roshni. She understands that Roshni has suffered greatly. Even then, Sayali believes that hiding the truth will only make matters worse. She tells Roshni once again that the family may forgive and accept her if she speaks honestly. But Roshni is terrified. She folds her hands and begs Sayali not to reveal anything. Sayali, still upset, walks away from the room without saying another word. Meanwhile, another problem arises in Sachin's life. He faces suspension from his job because he had taken 7 days off without informing the office. To make matters worse, one of his friends had been driving the company car in his place. The friend was caught drunk while driving, and the company discovered entire truth. Sachin's manager scolds him badly and accuses him of cheating. The company, as punishment, his license and the car are taken away for 7 days. Sachin requests the manager to forgive him, but the manager refuses. Because Sachin has already made several mistakes earlier. Later, Sachin becomes angry with his friend for putting him in such trouble. Sayali, sensing that something is deeply troubling Sachin, his unusual silence and distant behavior make her anxious, yet she struggles to understand what he's going through. After much hesitation and inner conflict, Sachin finally gathers the courage to reveal the truth. He has been suspended from his job for a few days. The confession weighs heavily on him and he explains the circumstances that led to this situation. Sayali listens patiently, her concern evident, but instead of panicking, she responds with warmth and reassurance. She consoles him, expressing her belief that everything will eventually fall into place once his driving license is reinstated. The couple had been dreaming of building a room of their own, a small but meaningful step towards stability. However, Sachin's professional struggles have shaken his confidence and left him disheartened. Despite this setback, Sayali stands firmly by his side, encouraging him not to lose hope. Her unwavering support begins to comfort Sachin, helping him regain a sense of calm amidst the uncertainty. Meanwhile, Roshni is caught in a storm of her own thoughts. She is deeply troubled by the consequences she might face if she reveals the truth about her past. That night, as she spends time with Tejas, she is unable to fully immerse herself in the moment because of the burden she carries. Determined to gauge his feelings, she subtly brings up the topic of children. Tejas responds with joy, expressing his longing for a family and imagining a house filled with the laughter of children. Taking the conversation further, Roshni presents a hypothetical situation about a woman who hid the existence of a child from a previous marriage. She wonders aloud whether the husband would accept such a truth. Tejas reacts strongly, stating that such deception would be unacceptable to him. Reaction deeply unsettles Roshni as she realizes that her own reality might lead to a similar response. Fear and guilt begin to consume her as she contemplates revealing the truth. On another front, Akash receives an exciting opportunity to showcase his culinary talent at a prestigious food festival. Neetu warmly congratulates him, her affectionate behavior surprising Ria. Witnessing the growing bond between Akash and Neetu leaves Ria feeling uneasy and emotionally disturbed. Back in the kitchen, Sayali once again urges Roshni to come clean to the family. However, Roshni requests more time, hoping to find the right moment and way to reveal everything without causing chaos. The atmosphere at home turns tense when Renuka taunts Sachin about his suspension. Her harsh words and negative attitude irritate Paresh, who is already frustrated with the situation, while the rest of the family shows understanding and restraint. Renuka continues to provoke Sachin instead of offering support, deepening the emotional strain within the household. The episode ends